In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste N8N workflow. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a template you like and drop it into a fresh workflow canvas in just a few clicks. First, head to the template you want to use and open it. Give it a second to load so all the nodes and connections appear clearly on the canvas. What you're looking at is a ready-made workflow layout that you can reuse. The goal here is simple: copy what you see so you can bring it into your own workspace. If the canvas looks zoomed in or out, adjust the zoom so you can see the whole thing, which makes it easier to confirm you're grabbing everything you need. Now, copy the template. An easy way to make sure you capture the entire workflow is to select all nodes first. You can do this by dragging a selection box around everything on the canvas or by using your system's Select All shortcut. On Windows and Linux, that's usually Ctrl+A, and on Mac OS, Command+A. Once everything is highlighted, copy it to your clipboard. Ctrl+C on Windows and Linux. Command+C on Mac OS. If you prefer, you can simply click on the canvas and copy directly, but selecting all first helps ensure no node or connection is left behind. With the workflow now copied, head over to create a new workflow. Open a blank canvas so you have a clean space to paste into. Before you paste, click anywhere on the empty canvas to make sure it has focus. This tells N8N you're about to paste nodes onto this page. Then paste from your clipboard. On Windows and Linux, press Ctrl+V. On Mac OS, press Command+V. In a moment, you should see all the nodes and connections from the template appear in your new workflow, preserving the structure you copied. If you don't see anything paste, double-check that the copy actually happened, that your browser has clipboard permissions, and that you clicked the new canvas first. Also, remember that keyboard shortcuts differ by operating system, so use the one that applies to you. That's the full process. Open the template, copy it, create a new workflow, and paste. From here, you can position nodes neatly if needed and review each node's settings. Keep in mind that while the structure is copied, you may need to connect or confirm any credentials or environment-specific values before running it. Thanks for following along. You now know the quickest way to copy and paste an N8N workflow using a template and bring it straight into your own workspace.